signal lights. Couldn't get them to flash. I bought all new LEDs for them. I knew there would be an issue. LEDs in the old flasher. The old flasher was just dead. That's it right there. You can see the corrosion on the top. It's really badly pitted. It's dead. So I ordered one off of Amazon. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Probably won't ever work now. So when you put LEDs in, you gotta have some resistance. So you can either cheat, go with LED everywhere else around it, and leave one bulb non-LED. Take a look at. So there's my flasher. Now, what I don't like is these bulbs are, the lenses are different in these. So if you see in the back,